Suppose y varies directly with x and y is equals 10 when x is equals 2. Our formula is y equals kx. Substitute will be 10 equals k times 2 equals 10 equals 2k. Using the direct variation formula, it will be k equals 10 over 2 equals 5. So y is equals to 5. Therefore, we should use y equals 5x. Y equals 5x. Substitute the x with 3. So it will be y equals 5 times 3 is equals to 15. So x is equals 3 and y is equals 15.
The example here that we will answer is inverse variation. If y is 12 and x is 3, what is x if y is 9? Step 1, we will find the variables. Variables is y and x. And step 2, we will find the formula that we will use. So the formula is y equals k over x. So step 3 naman, we will put the problems. So because y is 12, papalitan natin yung y ng 12. Then we will put the k lang again. Then under niya is x. So magiging 3. Dahil fraction ito, gagawin natin is mumultiply natin itong dalawa sa 3. So gagawin natin para matira na lang is k, kakancel natin yung dalawang 3. So ang k natin ay magiging 36. Step 4 naman, we will copy the formula that we use, and we will put the 36 again and 9 naman sa ibaba. So i-divide lang natin, magiging 4 siya. So the final answer is x equals 4.
I am Krisha Colincida Oplo, and today we will study about inverse variation. Inverse variation, in simple terms, this type of variation is the reverse of direct variation. Instead of both variable increasing when one increases and vice versa, this type of variation is when one variable decreases, the other increases, and when the variable increases, the other decreases. And also, the inverse variation uses the formula of y equals k over x.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our lecture. So I will be discussing to you the joint variation. So for the first one, we will be translating the sentence into equation. So for our first example, we have the area or A of a triangle varies jointly as its B base and its H height. So how are we going to write it in an equation? So since it says that the A or the area varies jointly as its B base and its height, the h. And we will be putting here the k because this serves as your constant term or constant variation. So that's it. So this is your equation for the sentence. Now let's move to the word problem. So I have here a problem that z varies jointly with x and y if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, and z is equals to 4. Write the equation and find z when x is equals to negative 6 and y is equals to 2. So first is we need to find the variables. So that is the z, the x, and the y. For the step 2, we need to set up the equation, and that is z is equals to k x y. Now for the step number 3, we need to find the constant term or the letter k. So we'll just substitute the z, which is 4, equals to k multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 3, which is the y. So this will be 4 equals to 6k, since 2 times 3 is 6 and 6 times k is 6k. So then we need to eliminate the k, so by dividing it we just cancel the 6, and then k is equals to 4 over 6, or we need to lowest term this one, so it will be 2 over 3. Now this will be your constant term. Now let's proceed to the last one, which is find z when x is equals to negative 6 and y is equals to 2. So again, z is equals to 2 over 3, the k, multiplied by negative 6 and multiplied by 2. So this one first, negative 6 times negative 2, that will be negative 12. And then z is equals to 2/3 times negative 12. Now for this one, we can change this fraction into decimal. So 2 divided 3 is 0.66. When we round off that will be 0.67. So z is equals to 0.67 multiplied by negative 12. That will be giving us a negative 8. And that's your z. And that's how you solve the problem solving with joint variation. Thank you.
Ang huling type ng variation ay ang combined variation. Tulad nga ng pangalan, ito ang dalawang pinagsamang ang uri ng variation. Pwedeng maging direct pinagsama sa inverse, inverse pinagsama sa joint, o kaya direct pinagsama sa joint. Ang formula nito ay z is equal to kx over y, kung saan ang k ang constant term. At para mahanap naman ang constant term, ang shortcut ay k is equal to zy over x. So, ang question natin is a varies directly with b and inversely as c if a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2. Find a when b is equal to 15 and c is equal to 25. First, or una is hanapin mo muna si k or yung constant term. Para mahanap siya, isulat mo a is equal to K, B, over C. Tapos substitute mo si A, tapos si A, B, at C. Magiging 10 is equal to K times 4 over 2. Ngayon, multiply mo si K at 4, magiging 10 is equal to 4K over 2. Tapos multiply mo si 2 kay 10, magiging 20 is equal to 4K. Tapos divide by 4 both sides para makancel si 4. And 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So K is equal to 5. Sulat lang natin dito si K para hindi makalimutan. Tapos burahin ito. Ayan. Para mahanap si A naman, isusulat natin A is equal to 5. Tapos substitute mo si B or 5B over C. Tapos substitute mo A is equal to 5 times 15 over 25. Tapos multiply, magiging A is equal to 75 over 25. A is equal to 75 over 20 divided by 25, that is 3. So A is equal to 3.